All right, guys, we're back at it again, and I'm driving. It's my second time driving today. Let's see how this goes. All right. Okay, brake is off.
You check your rear view mirrors. How is your rear view? And
yeah, okay. And now I'm driving.
Take your time. Remember that children are home from school now. All the children are out playing.
Okay. Okay. Stop. Nobody's coming.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Watch out for these kids with these bikes here.
Yeah, I really don't want to hit a kid.
Running a kid here.
Oh, and there comes another one.